Hey girls. Still waiting for this one to pop too. Both of us just waiting. We have some more cows and a bull arriving. Here they come. This one right here actually got attacked by a mountain lion, so that's why she's missing hair. We got a black cow all twisted up. 210. You want me in there with you? You want me to grab some wire cutters? Okay. Is it in the bee barn? Okay. Trying to move fast when you're 40 weeks pregnant sucks.
Mom, what are you doing?
We're gonna go break the ice and check on the cows. This drift is huge. Look at this. Okay, well, here's the deal. I am over 40 weeks pregnant. I don't know if you can tell how tall that drift is. Here's our basketball hoop. And that is the snowdrift. I'm not climbing over that when I am 40 weeks pregnant. So, I'm going to have my husband plow a path which should take a good few hours because we don't have a tractor. We only have a skid steer. Hopefully, we didn't have any calving issues last night. Ooh, the wind is still wicked. We did notice after we got the new calves the next day, so this is 2 days after we've had them, that we have, it's the day of the storm that we noticed it. We have a dead cow up there, and she was one of our black ones, and we went and checked on her really quick to see what was going on. Obviously check her when the storm has passed, but we're gonna get the skid steer going and check on the cows as soon as possible. Okay, it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. Rusty's been out there for over an hour in the skid steer moving snow. The water's frozen, shocker. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it. We've got a little trick that we do with a hair dryer. It usually works, so we'll see if we can get it. And let's go check on the red cow. Well, it looks like she's still pregnant. Thankfully, because we wouldn't have been able to help that calf. We couldn't have gotten to her that fast. These new ones that we got, you can definitely tell their conditions are bad here too. Rusty. There's a lamb stuck. Where? Don't go deeper. Don't go deeper, honey. go up, not over. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. So, I'm basically dying. I was hoping she'd follow me after I made that trail in front of her. It didn't. She's gonna have to do that one.